Shawano County has launched Code Red as our emergency notification system. Code Red is a free program for citizens that they can add to their smartphones. They can download an app. They can sign up their home phones. They get a text message alert, and essentially it notifies you if there is an emergency situation. If you opt in, you can get a severe weather warning, so severe thunderstorm warning, tornado warning, flash flood warning. And if you get text messages, you can even get a winter storm warning. It also, if there's another situation, let's say a law enforcement situation or some event that's an emergency that you need to take action, we can actually use Code Red to notify you. And it's based on geography, which is why we ask if you're signing up a home phone, that we ask for your home address so you can actually get notified. So you could actually be down on vacation in Florida if your home address is in there, and you could know that there was severe weather in your area. Great chance to call your neighbors, hey, is there any damage? Do I need to be worried about it? If you have the app on your phone, if you're traveling, you'll get notified if there's a weather warning kind of where you're at, including if you're in our neighboring counties who also have Code Red. Really great system we want people to sign up for.
Okay, so just kind of walking through, if you had a smartphone app, this is the Code Red system. It's called Code Red Mobile.
Yes.
And then you would install it. So after installing it, we get these alerts, and now it's asking to access your location when you're not using the app. Is that something that they'd want to do?
Absolutely. And this is so that way your phone knows where you are. And when National Weather Service issues a weather warning, that circle, that square, that warning area, if you're in it, you're going to get notified, which is why we're asking for that information.
So then we will hit allow. And then another one, notifications may include alerts, sounds, etc. That's obviously part of the key to the app.
Correct. Continuation of kind of that previous.
And now this is going to be your initial home screen. It'll ask you for an email and a password. So this is just kind of, this is what you would use to sign in. So first you would want to sign up.
There's two ways to do this. You can sign in to make a managed account where you can kind of track what alerts you want. So if you don't want a severe thunderstorm warning alert, you don't have to do that. Or you can also just download the app and still get alerts in your area. So I encourage people to get a managed account so you can kind of track the information, add more than one address, add more than one phone number. Which is why it asks for your to set up an account.
Okay, so first off, hit register.
Correct.
So we'll do that. And then you'll fill out, you'll see this screen, email, you'll create and confirm a password, so just kind of an account to sign in every time you're into the app.
Yes. Well, and it's once it's set up, it's how you set your preferences in there, and it's kind of done, then your app's on your phone.
Okay.
So it's when you want to update those preferences. Say you have an elderly parent, you can add their home address, you can keep an eye on the weather in their area. So that's another reason to kind of have that managed account so you can put more than one address in there. Kids' schools, kids' daycares, things to consider that you care about and you'd want to know if something was happening in that area.
Okay, after signing up and skipping through the tutorial, it brings up the GPS location page. So what would be the next step for somebody signing up?
If you want to customize it, you're going to want to click on the settings in the upper right-hand corner.
Okay, so it'll be right there.
And then one of the first options is select type of alerts, and that's if you want to customize what alerts you're going to get.
Code Red alerts, severe weather, air visibility, cold warnings. So anybody, you can sign up and get alerts from any of these kind of situations.
Correct.
Okay.
So if you want to customize any particular one, you can click on, example, severe weather warnings, and then you can kind of toggle back and forth if you want those alerts.
Okay, so having them on, so flash flood. So if you got them toggled on, you'll get alerts.
Weather warnings are all done. As soon as National Weather Service issues those, it's an automatic push through the Code Red system.
Okay. Okay, back at this screen, now you can also select the alerts that you want to be notified, different settings that way.
Correct.
So that'll get sent to you.
For your personal radius on that map where it's tracking why we ask for your location or where the app asks for your location, you can set how big a radius you want around yourself.
Okay, so you can set it from anywhere to a mile to looks like 25 miles. Can it go any bigger than that?
That's the limit.
Okay, so you can all just kind of slide this little slider. Right now it's set for 21 miles, and then it's got this notification here, your Code Red warning subscription expires. Is there a subscription at all?
It's absolutely free for citizens to sign up for Code Red.
Okay, and that's something that the county covers?
The county pays Code Red as a vendor for the ability to send out alerts, both weather warnings as well as just emergency alerts.
All right, looking at the web version of Code Red, first we're going to start out at the Shawano County website, and once people go to the county's website, where do they go from here?
Just scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see that Code Red icon on the left-hand side.
Right there.
Yep, click on that.
And that'll bring you to its homepage.
Correct. And again, this is where we ask you can sign up first name, last name, home address. And again, this is because we send out geolocated alerts. Once you scroll down, then you can add phone numbers, and you can add multiple. So you can have your cell phone, spouse's cell phone, kids' cell phones, home phones, landlines as well. You can also opt in for text messages. So you can sit there and just add a phone line as you go down. You can also add emails if you'd like to get that. Certainly all the information is kept private. Just check the data privacy. Once the information's done, you click verify. You'll click the verify. It'll confirm your address on a map. You'll have the option to do a managed account again, where you could go in and edit your preferences at a future date. And then you'll get a final confirmation that you've been entered into Code Red.
Say somebody's doesn't really use the internet a whole lot. Can they sign up by going somewhere or even stopping at the county?
If they don't, the easiest way is to call the Emergency Management Office. It's 715-526-6774. And they can, if someone's not available right away, leave a message. They'll get called back, and we'll walk them through over the phone signing up. It's another way to receive alerts. It's an emergency situation. At that point, you need to take action. So if it's a severe thunderstorm warning, if you're outdoors, getting inside. Same thing. Tornado warning, getting to the lowest level of the place that you're at, interior room. It's one more way that you get more time to take that action. So certainly everyone should download the app or call to register or go online to sign up for their phone. Marathon County's already had one tornado touchdown. We had one last year. It happens in this area.